think it's time we wash this car, but we're gonna need to dry it. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of these car drying towels. These things feel amazing. You get 2 in this box. These were sent to us in return for our honest review. These are a nice heavy duty towel. Like, you can feel how heavy these are. So you got this one here, which is nice for detail. The birds are joining in on the review today. And then this one, I'll have Jamie come out and help me. This one is huge. So we're gonna go ahead and wash the car, get it all ready, and then show you how great these are for drying it. Ooh, all right, I got Jamie out here. We got the car all wet and cleaned. Well, washed, it's wet. Yeah, hold it all up. Let me see how big it is. That's a good sized towel. It's dirt. It's like a heavy towel.
It is heavy. That's what I was
noticing. It's very durable.
Thick.
All right.
All right, I'll give her a try.
Let's
go right to the window here.
Wipe this car off. Holy cow.
Wow, that was like instant.
Instant wipe. Oh my goodness. Okay. All right. I can see how wet it is here. Dude, here. Oh, that's really nice. So we did not wax the car today because we were just kind of trying to get the dirt off of it to show this. But wow, look at that. Oh, we didn't even wax it and it's shiny. Woohoo. Okay, it's wet up here. Show me up here. That is so cool. Dries it right off. How wet does the towel feel? Because you've done almost half of the one side of the car.
It's getting a little damp, but it's still really dry.
You'd probably dry the whole car with the one towel.
Oh yeah, and I think that's the thing is even though this will get wet, it'll still
suck up the water like it's doing. Okay. So then we got the little towel too.
I know.
Which
I like the little one, I think.
Yeah, you could use that for what? Yeah, I guess the mirrors. Probably your rims.
Yep.
Okay, maybe like around your headlights. It's more of like a detail type of towel, right? Okay. That's pretty nice. And then just hang it up to dry. Okay. I would say I love how thick it is. And that's crazy how fast it dries. Huh. Very nice. That's going to be your new car drying towel, I think. We definitely approve of this. It works amazing.